Welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. This video we're going to be using a car air pump. This air pump was $30, $28, but it's going to be pretty cool. There's a manual. There's a bag of nothing. And then the box. There's a box. So, a tire. Looks like a motorcycle. And then a whatever. So it's 100 watt power. DC 12 volt. And it's made in another country. So here's the back. This is neatly. You can put that in there. It has a car, if you have enough wire to reach around to the back tires. It looks like it. It has the 12 volt adapter for your car. You plug it in, and then the back says power 120 watts. And on here it says 100 watts on the box, and on here it says 120 watts. So right off the bat, there's some discrepancy. Maybe a knockoff, but anyway, you'll have that, and hopefully it works. But that's what happens when you buy cheap stuff online. You never know where it's coming from. It tells you where it's coming from, but you don't know if it's true, if it's fact or fiction. So we're going to get this little tie off, and we're going to try it out. We'll try it out sometime. Alright, this has been another Manny Pizza video. Thanks. And here's some here's a fuse, and then I don't know why it's stuck in there. A fuse, and then these are when you're airing up inflation tubes and stuff like that, little adapters. And then this is for football, soccer ball, basketball, and and then this is for your car. So hopefully, yeah, it works right. Yep. Put it on there like that, and then you tighten it down, and you turn it on. All these buttons. Alright, plug that in, and then car's on, that's on. Alright, bar, kilopascals, kilograms per centimeter, PSI, and we want, what's the bike tire say? Let me find a minute. Alright, so it says 40, I don't know if you can see it or not, 40 PSI. Inflate to 40 PSI or 2.8. I can't even read that. 12.8 bars, 280 kilopascals, so 40 psi. Alright. I'll put this on psi, and then I'm gonna plug this up here. Alright, since it's not tall enough, you have to hold it. So I'm gonna press the on button, which is that. Oh, I forgot to set it. I gotta set it to 40. So I'm pressing the up arrow. I want to get it to 40. Alright, 40. I'm going to hit the on button. set. Alright, shut off. So it's pretty tight. I feel about 40. I'm gonna take this stupid thing off. Alright. And then I'll do the same thing on the front tire. Good times. It's always good to have people watching you record. But I'm gonna get that on there. And that's pretty tight. This one is completely flat. Same thing. I got the engine running on the car. And it's good times, you know what I mean? Good times in apartment complex. Let out some air. When this is set, good old carbon monoxide from the car. So this is set on. Oh, I had to. Okay, let me put it back to PSI. And then 41, 40, go. Why is it blinking? Alright. PSI 40, go. Yes. Alright, shut off at 40, and I had to get away from it's leaking, I hear it. It's always fun to get off. That's good. Alright. That was a little more intense than I thought. Alright. Get it pumped up. Now I just gotta put it away, which is always a good time. It has this hole in the back, which I'm not even gonna. What a pain. Just throw it all in there, and then that's that. There. I ain't gonna put it in that box. I mean, the hole in the back. Just do one of those deals, and put it in my trunk. Soccer stuff here. I like the Toyota RAV4 because it has this under here where you can just set it amongst your other tools and stuff. There's your tools down here. If I can get that to fit or not. I don't know what's going on here. But there we go. Let's get that down in there. Take this tissue out. There we go. Alright. Good times. Great times. Now the bike is, I gotta put that cap back on. Where'd I put it? Oh, right there. Okay. Put that cap back on if I can find it. Get that back on. Tires are good. You can always just check. Oh, that's dangerous right there. Look at that. That's dangerous. Jeez. I need to deflate it. Push that back in. Alright, I had to deflate it because this was popping over the rim, this rubber. I had to deflate it, put it back in there, and then manually pump it. So I got that pumped up. Alright.